Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reset iPhone 6s Plus to factory settings. First of all, go to the iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down. From the bottom section of this page, you will find the option Reset. Tap on this. You can reset your location and privacy. You also can reset home screen layout. You can reset keyboard dictionary. You can reset network settings. And you can reset all the content and settings. If you select this option, all the contents will be erased and all the settings will reset. You can also reset only settings. If you want to reset all settings only to its factory setting, then tap on Reset All Settings. A pop-up menu will open from the bottom. Tap on Reset All Settings. Again, tap on Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will be now restarting. That's it. Your iPhone has been reset to factory settings. So that is how you can reset iPhone 6s Plus to its factory settings. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.